In this video, I'll show you how to write on PDF files on Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and open the PDF file you want to write on. You can do this by clicking File, then Open, and selecting your PDF from your device. Once the PDF opens, the best tool depends on what kind of writing you want to add. You may want to type normal text, fill in a form, add a signature, or write by hand using a pen or drawing tool. If you want to type text anywhere on the PDF, go to All Tools and choose Edit a PDF. After the editing toolbar opens, look for Add Text. Click Add Text, then click the area of the page where you want your writing to appear. A text box will be added to the PDF. Now type the words you want to place on the document. This is useful if you need to add a note, label, correction, name, date, or extra information. After typing, you can adjust the text. Select the text box and use the formatting options to change the font size, color, spacing, or alignment. You can also click and drag the text box to move it into the right position. If you are filling out a form, the easier option is Fill and Sign. Go to All Tools, then choose Fill and Sign. Click on the blank area where you want to write, then type your information. This works well for forms that ask for your name, address, phone number, email, date, or other details. If the PDF has interactive form fields, you may simply be able to click inside the field and start typing. Acrobat will place your text directly into the form field. If you want to write by hand, use the Comment tool. Go to All Tools, then choose Comment. Look for the pencil icon, which is usually called Draw Freehand. Click it, then use your mouse, trackpad, touchscreen, or stylus to write directly on the PDF. You can use handwriting to mark corrections, circle important sections, underline text, or add quick notes. After writing, you can select the mark and change its color, thickness, or opacity if needed. If you make a mistake, click the text box or pen mark and press Delete on your keyboard. You can also move or resize typed text before saving. Before finishing, review the PDF carefully. Make sure your writing is clear, placed correctly, and not covering important information. Finally, save the file. Click File, then Save to update the same PDF, or choose Save. As if you want to keep the original document unchanged. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.